You know I love my super clean. I'm going to start by just totally covering everything in here with it. Letting that soak a little bit, then I'm gonna, this is basically Dawn in here. I'm gonna foam it with Dawn as I scrub and try to get some of the really bad dirt out of here. Rinse it and then blow it dry. Starting with the underside of the hood, which is pretty dirty. If you've been watching my channel for any length of time, you know that I always feel like you can't totally get the engine clean the first go around, but usually 2 or 3 times and you'll have it spotless. So this first one is just to get most of the dirt and grime off and put some level of protection down on here and see kind of what I've missed, but at least this will have it clean enough that I can better diagnose things under the hood. So now I'm just going to rinse. And then the part that I consider the most important part of an engine detail, blowing it dry. Now the battery on this was so dead that I couldn't do anything. I had like 7 volts, so I'm going to see if it will take any kind of charge at all, and start this up just to show you that it's perfectly safe to do what I do. But in the meantime, while it's charging, I'm going to hit it with some 303 on all of basically the black plastic and rubber areas, just to give them a little extra protection. Obviously you can spray it on stuff like this and just let it soak, or you can be more specific and wipe it on other areas, whatever you really prefer. I like kind of a shiny look, so I like to let it soak in. So this one is far from perfect. Like I said, what I typically like to do is repeat this process once a month or so for at least 2 or 3 times until it gets where you want it to look.